Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Fernando and this is Ostar Motorsports. Today we have a beautiful 765 LT. We're going to be doing a set of downpipes, and we're also going to be doing BMC intakes, and we're going to work with M Engineering in terms of a custom tune. So we have it up on the lift already. We're going to go ahead and work on those downpipes and intakes. We're going to remove the ECU, send it out to M Engineering so they can do their thing. Once it comes back, we're going to install it back. We're gonna do a road test, dyno, and then show you guys all the results. So guys, not only do we, of course, want to focus on performance, which is what we do here at Ostar Motorsports, but nothing sets your car apart like a brand new set of wheels, like these HRE right here. Here at Ostar Motorsports, we carry various brands like HRE, Vossen, and a few others. We also carry tires. We do a lot of Michelin, Toyo, Continentals. So it's just a matter of, you know, what you're looking to do with your car. What's your goal? For example, if you're looking at specific looks, we can do looks. If you're more looking for something that will be performance oriented, like say you're going to track the car and you want something that's forged rather than your standard wheel, then we can help you out in that sense. Also, the type of tire that you want to use. Is it going to be a more streetable tire, or do you want something that's like a semi-slick that you're going to be tracking? So there's definitely a lot of options. We have an in-house machine that's touch-free, so we do all the installs with that machine. We can ship them out to you, or we can install them here in-house. So if you have any questions, feel free to call us at the shop and we'll be happy to help you out. So aside from the downpipes, we're also going to be doing the pure turbo inlets on this 765. We're also going to be doing the M Engineering tuning suite. So we removed the stock ECU, we sent it out to M Engineering. Now it's back, and along with the ECU that's been unlocked, we have the dongle. So you'll have your own dongle and cable. There you go. We also ceramic coated the exhaust tips. And lastly, we're doing a set of BMC filters. So a lot of the European vehicles use BMC filters. They're very nice, very high quality, and that should be it. So we're gonna finish putting all these parts together, and then we're gonna take it on a road test and finally dyno and show you guys the results. So guys, we're on our way to the dyno now. We finished the install on the downpipes, and we also added the inlets like I showed you before, and also the BMC intakes. I've already uploaded the map from M Engineering. We are on their slot number 5, which is basically their 93 octane file. So far the car feels pretty good. We just want to put it on the dyno, see how the data looks, and then we should be good to deliver the car. Okay guys, so we're done with the dyno. We just pulled out. The car made 825 wheel, which is what we expected. We actually did it on the 100 octane map, but it's a super hot day. I mean, it's 95 degrees plus and the humidity is at 100%, so we're pretty happy with the results. I think on a colder day we might see a little bit better numbers, but overall super happy with the car. M Engineering, thank you for the tune, super. And we're all done here. So we're back here at the shop. We're buttoning up the McLaren, putting back the diffuser. When we go to the dyno, we have to remove the diffuser so that we can strap the car down. So we're putting that back together. And once that's done, we're gonna clear all the codes, and that should be it. That should wrap things up for today. So if you guys are interested in any of the parts that we install on this McLaren or tuning by M Engineering, be sure to give us a call here at Ostar Motorsports. And if you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.